Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to quickly show you how to add a product to your WooCommerce plugin inside WordPress. So let's just jump right into the tutorial. Once you've been logged in, go under products, add new, and it will bring you up to this form. Today we're going to be adding a camera just for one of the products here. So let me add this title, Canon. Right here we want to add the actual description of the item. I already have that copied and pasted. Place that in here. Under product data, you want to put the amount. Let's put $799. Let's put a special on here. Add that here. Now down here under the Yoast SEO for the search engine optimization, you know what comes up on Google when people search it. They'll see the title, and down here under the edit snippet, you could actually add your description, shorten it up, and make sure that you get those keywords in there. So you get organic searches. Let's delete that. Let's close this out. Once you have added those two, make sure you select a product category. I have it under DSLR. Let's add a product tag. If somebody searches it, it could be Canon or M50. Now down here under your product image, just select product image. If you haven't loaded it already, just go up to upload files, select, and bring them in. I have already brought them in here, so I'm going to select the product image. Now down here under product gallery, I'm going to add some gallery images that I have already uploaded. Add that there. Product short description, we're going to just include here the recording format down here. So we have the title, the description, the amount. We have the SEO running. If you don't have this plugin installed, plugins, just hit plugins, add new, and search Yoast SEO to have this available here. So we have the short product description here, the images. So let's take a look at a preview. We hit preview right on the top. We'll give it a second to load. And here we go. It's already inserted into our store, ready to go. We have a title. We already have our description, our recording formats. People can select the images. Very simple to actually do. So let's take a look here real quick. Back to our images here, or to our product. So you could go ahead and publish it. Once you're done, you hit publish. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave it down below in the comments. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you can find it again if you need to reference this video. A quick shout out to our sponsors at Craig's Portal Web Hosting. If you're looking for a free online store, definitely click at the link in the description, the first link in the description below, to get a free store up and running. Again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.